Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I am so excited today because something I have waited for literally months is finally here. I actually paid for this on May 7th and it was supposed to be shipped in August, and then it was delayed and delayed and delayed. And I finally got it this week, like not quite the last day of the month, but almost the last day of the month. I think I got it on the 28th, or yeah, the 28th of November is when I finally got it. So it's been a long time, but it's been worth it. It is the Storybooks Cosmetics. They have a book of the month club. So it's like a subscription service, but it's for their inspired, book inspired makeup. This is what it looks like inside. They did wrap it up very nicely. I do like this little box. I think I'm going to keep this one and use it for something because I think it's a sweet box. In here, when you unwrap the green tissue paper, which fits with the book for the first month, it is Little Women. It does have plastic around it, which is great. It looks like the original edition of Little Women. It says Little Women 2018 volume 1. I know they were planning to put out more than one this year, but they announced just a day or two ago that the next one isn't going to come out till January. So I don't know if they're going to do if it will say 2019 or 2018 on it. It also came with a bookmark that has Louisa May Alcott's name on it, Little Women, and then on the back it has all of the ingredients and says made in the US and how where they're located. They are in Omaha, Nebraska, which I didn't realize they were in Omaha. Anyway, inside it says love is a great beautifier underneath the mirror. It is, oh, I just love it. And then the actual book itself, there are 3 eyeshadows, Meg, Beth, and Amy, and then the lipstick is Joe. This is, if I remember right, a liquid lipstick. It is not a lip gloss. We're gonna swatch it. I have not swatched anything from it. I have been waiting. Oh, it smells good. It's an interesting scent. It's a little more brown than I thought it was going to be, but I still think I might pull this off. The lipstick does say Storybook Cosmetics on it, and it has their little logo on the front, and it's kind of iridescent. There we go. And then let's swatch these 3 shades. So we have Meg, Beth, and Amy, and I do have some of their full-size books because they have done some things that I really, really like. They are a little powdery. Do keep that in mind. I'm not sure I can do a complete look with this book, to tell you the truth. Beth is a little more of a poopy green than I was expecting. But so there they are. That's it. It's a really short video, but I was just really excited. They announced that they were going to do another book till January. I think on the 30th of November, they had 20 left on that day. This was, so I don't think there probably are any left of this book, but judging by the sneak peek or the clue that they gave about next month, it looks like it might be Sherlock Holmes. That is what some people were guessing based on the clue. If you look through their Instagram stories, I think that's where they had something about it. So if you are interested, if you like literature or you like makeup and literature, this might be something for you. It is $24.99. I can't remember if I paid shipping on it or not because it's been such a long time, but I'm very happy with it. It was worth the wait. I'm excited to wear it, and more than even that, to display it. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.